In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Holo AI account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in tryholo.ai. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Holo AI. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be redirected to the new tab. From here, you'll be able to log in to your account. You can either continue with Google or you can also enter the email and get the confirmation code. Or if you have set up the password, you'll be able to use the password instead. So simply click on the login method of your choice. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. So enter your email address over here. Now after you do that, click on this option, get confirmation code that you can see on the screen. Now the confirmation code will be sent to your email. Simply open the Gmail, check the email sent by the Holo AI and get the confirmation code and enter it in this interface. After you do that, you'll be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in Holo AI account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.